Welcome to Southern Living with John, y'all. Today I'm going to be boiling peanuts. Got them rinsed off. It's going to take a couple hours, so. Plus I got another video I'm going to try to do too on country style ribs. So y'all stay tuned and I'll meet you outside. Alright y'all, let's get these peanuts started. I think there was about 4 pounds or so. Got these from the local Piggly Wiggly also. I'm going in with about 3/4 cup of salt and some water. Just like that. I'm trying to make 2 videos today, and maybe I won't get them mixed up on my iPhone. Y'all probably bet against that. I'm probably gonna mess it up. I hope not. The grill's getting close to coming up. I'm gonna fill this thing up, not quite full. I may have to add water to it later on though. Alright, we're gonna call that good enough. Let's get this bad boy fired up. Too much stuff to trip over. Yeah, there you go. Fall in the way again, boy. That is it. I'll bring y'all back later. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Peanuts are starting to boil. Let's ease down on this heat a little bit. Yes, a little more. Sorry, but I got you all steamed up, didn't I? There you go. Let's put a lid on it. And that's it. It'll take about 2 hours. So I'll see y'all back later. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, it's been about an hour. Let's check these peanuts out right quick. Try to pre-hand this. Boy, hope I got enough gas there. Might sample a few of them. I know they ain't done yet, but anyway. I'll tell you what, I'll just bring y'all back when they done and do the taste test. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, just noticed I run out of gas. So I've been soaking here about 30 minutes. Let me get, if you want the salt to get in there, you gotta let them set. You gotta let them set. You just have to keep an eye on them to your desired saltiness. Let me get these over here on the table. We'll knock this taste test out. Let me get my camera done. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, let's try these out. First one. How juicy they are. I don't know if you can tell or not. Just right. These people not from the South don't know how to eat peanuts. Just take it, got it with the teeth. It's like the same bust it open. They're good and juicy. All you gotta do is suck them out. Just like that. I'm not gonna eat them all for you, but anyway. Let's see the juice coming out of it. Oh yeah, that's just right. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and